The Lusaka High Court has acquitted a 37-year-old woman of Lusaka's Chalara area and her daughter who murdered 6 people. Justice Wilfred Muma has entered a verdict of not guilty, but has detained Jennifer Mwanza and her daughter Delia Mwanza at the president's pleasure because the two were mentally unsound when they committed the crime. Justice Muma has, however, set free Susan Chimfwembe, who was jointly charged with a duo, as the state failed to present evidence to link her to the offense. Facts of the matter that Jennifer and Delia, between July 28 and 1st August 2016, while in a confused state of mind, murdered Albert Mwanza, Brian Banda, Martha Mwanza, Amos Banda, Leo Mwanza, and Blessings Mwanza, who were her family members and 2 of Chimfwembe's children. The 3 were discovered by the police in an unfinished building in Charara area with 6 corpses that had their heads chopped off, lying around in a room, while 2 juveniles. The chopped heads of the corpses were later boiled in a big pot. A psychiatrist who examined the trio's mental status, following an order by Justice Mwansa, discovered that Jennifer suffered from a mental disorder. Dr. Msoni certified that the time of the alleged offense, Chimfwembe suffered from induced delusion disorder that was transferred to her by association with Jennifer, a primarily affected person. He told the court further that Delia was not aware of the wrongful acts due to shared psychotic disorder suffered at the time of commission of the offense, and according to the 2 juveniles that escaped Delia's hands, from the room they were tied in preparation to be killed in the room where corpses of Jennifer's children were kept, Jennifer's husband Albert Mwanza, who had returned from a drinking spree, was killed in cold blood by the duo using a knife and an axe to chop off his head. The juveniles said before their friends were murdered, Jennifer held the children tightly in her arms on the pretext that she was protecting them from evil spirits, but later strangled them. Delivering judgment, Judge Muma said he cannot doubt the testimony of the juvenile survivors and concluded that Jennifer murdered her family not knowing what she was doing. Judge Muma has since acquitted Jennifer and Delia on the point of having an unstable mind. Wells Chfunda, S24 Court News in Lusaka.